The AK Rock Bolt is manufactured from a special hot-rolled deformed bar. This bolt is manufactured with a herringbone profile to improve mixing of the resin anchor whilst reducing longitudinal pumping during bolt rotation. The benefits of this system are herringbone profile, which provides localized micromixing of the resin. Chemistry provides a 30-ton roof bolt with improved impact toughness. The AK bolt is designed as a complete chemical anchor bolt system. Sandvik AK grade rock bolts deliver a typical yield strength of 240 kilonewtons and tensile strength of 315 kilonewtons for varying applications. A reliable shear pin breakout system allows for fast tension to the roof. Sandvik offers a range of breakouts to suit requirements. Prior to installation, ensure the hole is flushed and free from dust and grit. The resin capsules are inserted into the hole, fast set end first. Push the bolt slowly up, rotating the bolt to begin the mixing process. When the bolt reaches the back of the hole, rotate for a further 4 seconds to ensure complete mixing. Total mixing time must not exceed the stated spin time. Stop the rotation and leave the bolt for at least the stated hold time. Break the nut out and tighten the plate up to the roof. Standard bolt lengths are 1.5 meters, 1.8 meters, and 2.1 meters with incremental changes by arrangement. Corrosion protection may be provided by hot dip galvanizing or alternative coatings if required.